I received the best lesson on range selling from a young boy who was working as a waiter cum assistant cook cum a counter boy at a small roadside dhaba in the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. It's an incident of year 2001 when I was working as a sales officer with Godrej in its interior division. I was traveling by road to a project site for a meeting in a deep and remote area of Chamba district. It was approximately 25-30 kilometers before the project site. There was this small roadside dhaba which would be probably the last reasonably looking dhaba available on that remote stretch. So I decided to stop and have a quick lunch as I was not sure if I would get any place to eat if I leave this one behind. So I'm normally a little cautious about my order while traveling to remote places. So I usually order dal and roti. As I was settling in the chair, here came this young boy of approximately 15-16 years of age. He smiled at me and asked for my order. As usually, I ordered my dal and two rotis. Since there would not be any menu card available at such small places, so I started calculating in my mind the amount which I would have to pay him. I worked out that it would be around rupees 40 or rupees 50 max, considering dal to be at rupees 30 or max 40 and approximately rupees 10 for two rotis. My thought process was broken by the soft and confident voice of that boy. He might have seen my car registration number and he asked me, "Sir, are you from Chandigarh?" I said, "Yes." He further inquired, "Are you going to Surangani project site?" Surangani is the place name where this site is located. I said, "Yes." He added, "Sir, our home is just behind the dhaba and we have our own cows and fields. We use milk and milk products like dahi, paneer, etc. made at our own home. The paneer is very fresh and tasty. You must try it. Would you like to place order for paneer alongside dal?" I got tempted, and for first time after a long time I placed order for paneer during the travel, of course. He further added, "Shall I bring fresh salad, sir? It's fresh from our own fields." I completely avoid salad at roadside dhabas, but this boy presented it to be fresh and tasty. So again I got tempted and said, "Yes, bring one." As I was about to finish my food, the young boy came again and said, "Sir, our kheer is special and made of our own cow's milk, prepared by overnight cooking at home." Despite me full to my throat, I yet again got tempted and said yes to him. As I walked to counter to pay my bill, the young boy told me, "Sir, it is better to carry a bottle of water and a packet of biscuits if you will feel so, as there will hardly be any shops on the way." I found it logical and bought a water bottle and a packet of biscuit as well as a standby. I paid total of rupees 170 to the boy against my initial estimate of rupees 40-50. So I happily paid him and started towards my project site. While I was driving, I was recollecting my conversation I had with that boy, and I realized that the young boy had completely sold me out. He used the range selling technique beautifully on me. He used both type of range selling on me, cross sell and upsell. He did upselling by suggesting and selling his higher value products like paneer, and also cross selling by suggesting product like salad, kheer, water bottle, biscuit. Wow, was my reaction. I told to myself, "Hey Shivender, you believe you are a super salesperson of a top company. But did you try this technique with your clients?" I had no answer to myself, as I never consciously tried range selling till that time. This was a wonderful lesson for me on range selling, which I implemented in my career. It was taught to me by that insignificant looking young boy who that day became a trainer to me. He hardly received few clients in the entire day. He used the range selling to increase order value from those very few people who visited him. And thanks to him, I got the best learning on range selling that day. I'm sure you too would carry some learning from this story. If you liked the video, then do press the like button and don't forget to leave your comments. It would be a testimony to the skills of that young boy and my guru on range selling. Thanks and have a wonderful day.